Hey guys, it's RaiolaGamingHD here to bring you a team of the season pack opening. Last time we done a pack opening, we got nothing. So this time, I actually want to try get something good, even though I doubt it because my pack luck is just absolutely shit. Let's just try to get a team of the season, to be honest. Alright, first pack, not looking. First pack we get no one. I'll just take the contracts. They're always useful. Yeah, literally, first pack we get nothing, as usual. I'm going to take the contracts because they're always useful. I just want to get a team of the season. Discard the rest of the pack. Alright, second pack. Come on. We can get something. Come on. Nothing again. Oh my flip's sake. Take the injury. Oh my god. First two packs, we've got nothing so far. Take the contracts again. Alright, proper slow to take these contracts, man. Look at this. Hurry up, man. Discard the rest of the pack. Again, because we get nothing. Come on. Third pack. Third time lucky. Come on. Boom. Maggio? What's this? Oh my. No, we get Maggio. Worth nothing. I'm going to take that poor budge actually. If we wanted to change it. Take the chemistry styles. Never know. Actually, I'll take this ball as well. Need it for the manager tasks. Might as well. Wanted to change my ball as well. I can't even be asked to take these contracts. Come on. Fifth pack. Who can we get? We didn't even get a shiny gold player. Oh my. I'll change my stadium. Another manager task. 3 more manager tasks. I get a free pack. Take the shiny gold contract. See, look how long it takes to take the contracts. Rest of the pack shit. Just this guy, I can't be asked to take the other contracts. Come on. Come on. Oh, again, no shiny gold player. I was thinking of taking the Borussia Dortmund badge there, but then I prefer the Porto one. Take the shiny gold contract. I think we've got Pazzini again. See, look how long it takes to take the contracts. Yeah, we did get Pazzini again. Pazzini. Good player when he was at Inter. Alright, let's go. Next pack. I'm going to do a nose pack. Come on. Nose pack. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. AU. Del Piero. Another shit pack. Oh look. Team Fitness. I'll take that. Oh look. Porto kit. Might as well take that as well. Alright, now I have the Porto badge and the Porto kit. What the hell am I doing? don't know if I should take these contracts. No, I might as well. Oh, really, man? These packs have just been shit. I'm only going to open like 2 more. 1 or 2 more. I'll open 2 more. Oh my. What is this? Why are we getting no one? Oh my god. Just take the contracts, but this pack's just been another shit pack. Why didn't I just take them players there? What was I doing? See, look, these packs have just been so shit, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Last pack. Come on. Come on. Handanovic. Oh my. You know what? I'm just done. I'm just done. I literally can't get anyone in packs. I don't understand. I haven't got one good player in a pack. This FIFA just hates me. I don't understand. They don't have the silver packs. Well, not even the bronze ones. Oh, can't even get them anymore. Wow. Well, guys, if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Comment down in the section below. Tell me what else I should do. Peace, guys.